wumve Skia
Arima magazi ari nyamatse rwanga guhunga yigabije baragimeta nkuru zivugiye mu rugerero we yemwe we genda KIMOMO uratwite icyo ngukundiye uri umuntu mugabo mu muco w'abanyarwanda
kirazira
kwigunga uri kumwe n'abapampe abasarada bakunda cyane
aho
genda KIMOMO uratwite
gasozera twirebera filime yacu
ngukundiye uri umuntu mugabo
bimeze bite
habiriza neza gisara batwara cyangwa utabundi umuhanzi udahana yitwa Nzinzi wazigiye yemwe we genda KIMOMO uratwite icyo gushimiye uri umuntu mugabo
KIMOMO ngaratwitse
ibagirwa ibindi byo gukanda guhera none fata telefoni yawe ukande akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego ubona ibitangaza aho ushobora kugura umuriro amayinite ifatabuguzi rya Star Times ukagabanyirizwa buri ukuguze kanda akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri mu rwego uracimira nyuma ifashe easy and affordable for you kadashya
hey ayo basi narakubwiye ngo burukumvisha ngo ni KIMOMO bundi yari impamvu rega umuntu aba yitwa KIMOMO inkuru iba yarabaye KIMOMO hiti yaratumbagiye ubu baratwumva n'ibwota amasimbi bimeze bite ndacyari namba 1 natangiye mbayoboshe inkoni y'icyuma mbona barakigira nabi ubu mbayobosha agasuzuguro babasobanuzi bavugaga umba yobosha agasuzuguro cyakora icyo basigayeho ni kimwe nabemereye basigaje kujya hirya no hino bamvuga nabi bansebye ariko mu bikorwaho ndacyabayobosha agasuzuguro cyakora nabemereye kumvuga da kavuga nabi bakareba ko ari icyajya mbere ariko mu bikorwa ndacyayobosha inkoni y'icyuma bimeze bite ubundi banyita namba 1 abanzi ntago bangereranya abamenye ntago banshidikanyaho nuko tutangiye filime yacu Lions Gate presents ku gasobanefilms.com nozisohokera bimeze bite iyi filime wabonye filime nyinshi David Hacker iyi filime niye sibyo noneho n'amadolari 7 Scott Eastwood uyu mugabo ni icyamamare Kevin Durant aba bakiryi ni ibyamamare we nje misengeramo n'ubwoba n'abastari kano filime bagahuriyemo Tyrese Gibson yagukiriye na za kiniki Mel Gibson uramuzi hey Dangerous iyo filime yacu Dangerous cyewe hey kututangiye filime yacu kurikira filime ikindi cyiza cyane cy'umwihariko sobanura ijambo kurindi filime uko bayanditse ni kuyimenya nasoma nize neza sindi nk'ababana baza bagasakuriza muri filime bameze nk'abari kogeza umupira bigize Fuad niko bigize Axel birani ibiki barakwereka urugabo tutangiranye yaje akurino hari urwandiko bari bamwoherereje amaze kurufata agaruka mu nzu kugira ngo umenye ko umugabo atari umuntu mwiza ufungura
happy birthday
bitedi isabukuru nziza nakifuje ko tuyiserebura turi kumwe ariko arabura amezi makenya kuba leta yaragure ku by'agateganyo bikaba birangiye ku buryo wajya ariho hose kino kirwa bita Guardian Island imbaho ni cyiza hano hantu ni heza pe bisa nkaho ngeze kuri iki kirwa nabonye icyo nashaka cyose Susan na Fred baragusuhuza yari murumuna wanjye wawe Sam yitwa D leta nyine asa nkaho yigeze gufungura leta ikamurekura isaha ye iyisonnye anywa ibinini uyu mugabo isa nkaho ari kuri parole kuba barakurekure kugira ngo witware neza nabona witwaye neza nubakurekure burundu mugabo ari hano abayuhira ibyo yuhiro bimeze bite uko tutangiye filime yacu mugabo mu nzabamo aterura ku byuma n'iki ashyira akantu undi musore wese ka siporo ni ingenzi barakwereka nyuma y'igihe yarongeye bamwoherereza urwandiko rebe nahari nakubwiye ngo
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Cold here on the island.
Hano hantu ku kirwa rakonje.
These renovations before the holiday.
Ndacyari kuvugurura kino kirwa utuntu twaje twinyubako.
Over my head this time.
Kuri inshuro meze neza ndi gutekereza neza. Nakifuje ko akabayuri hano. Shimurimo nawe. murumuna wahora mwandikira ngo abakukirwa ahantu wari utwari kuri novetinga do mugabo nyitozo byose bikora mu nyubako mindani umusore dutangiranye umwandikira ni murumuna we bimeze bite nakubwiye ngo wabonye filime nyinshi iyi bayise ngo iki Dangerous hari umwandikira tumbabarire
December 8th.
Shani yapfuye murumuna wawe tuzamushyingura itariki 8 z'ukwezi kwa 12 wa murumuna umaze iminsi amwandikira yapfuye sasa yukwegama ku rugi rw'inzu ye yumva rurangaye wa murumuna wamaze iminsi abakukirwa kugera mu nzu ye usanga arakagabo kareba gutyo ntubikore kagabo twaseka kuye yimbunda bigenze bite ku kanya barakwereka hafi kuri iyo nyubako hari abandi bahise bazamuka bihuse cyane SWAT mu nyubako y'umugabo kurikira filime witonze kira tukiri SWAT muri yanzu ya wa musore twatangiranye bamwita ngo ni D barakwereka inzu ibintu byamenaguritse bisa nkaho ari abarwaniye twasize ari ikigabo bonye mu nzu ye barinjira bana bashinzwe umutekano ni SWAT umugabo bari bamubwiye ati umuntu wamaze iminsi apfuye azashingurwa itariki 8 kugera muri dushe harimo amaraso hano hari ikiriyo kure bano kakagabo kinjiye mu nzu ya D yakambuye imbunda arafuna nimba yabikoze ate cyewe aracyari muzima agera amagara b'imiti abaganga bazamufuri gatururi mu nzu y'umugabo kureba imiti n'umusore yanywaga yahawe n'umuganga bita Dr. Adwood n'igisaya cyikuyeho nicya gisa wambara kugira ngo bamenye aho uri turi Cleveland muri Ohio Mel Gibson uramboneka
Special Agent Shaughnessy.
Baita Special Agent Shaughnessy reka ndebe kature badge yawe kuri Special Agent Special Agent do you feel special vikigariko kuri Special Agent none se iyo wimvumva uri special koko ni igisaza ni ikiganga bamwita Mel Gibson ni icyamamare
Goes by the name of D. Dylan Forrester.
Yesu ufite umurwayi witwa D cyangwa se Dylan Forrester yego ni wafura kuri ya musore
Dylan Forrester. The man you prescribed these.
umugabo witwa Dylan Forrester wari warandikiye ino miti
I that D.
tumwita D Forrester
He's one of my most interesting, most promising patients.
numwe mu barwayi mfasha bakimeze nkaho rwose batanga icyizere ko bazamera neza vuba
Why?
He broke his parole.
ejo yangije
Where he is?
gahunda twari rukuru leta gufungura nyine umusore yangije parole barakurekura nyine bakara ko yitwara neza igihano kigakurwa burundu witwaye nabi baragusubizamo
Tempted. Well, that's progress in a strange kind of.
usura musore rameze neza
Are you sure it wasn't self-defense?
ese umuntu yakubise ntiyari ari kwirwanaho
Then left him hanging in his bathroom.
yakubise umuntu amumanika muri dushe
Oh,
nk'iyo umanika isuyime mva ikiganga ariko nacyo ni ikigori
working with D and I have been working together.
uwo dimaze igihe mukorera dukorana
Put his past behind him.
ngira ngo ahahise mpamushyira inyuma bano ni babaganga nyine bakuganiriza ufite nk'ihungabana utameze neza mu mutwe akakubwira imiti uzajya ubundi akakuganiriza
It just doesn't seem the kind of thing that he would do.
gusa ibyo bintu byo gukubita abantu ni ibintu atakurira musore nk'umuntu umaze iminsi murwaje
It was me who put D. Forrester in prison
ni njyewe wafunze D Forrester amushyira muri gereza imyaka 8 ishize
on what he's capable of.
njyewe icyo ashoboye ndakizi twamufungiraga kwica
Perhaps you and I should have a session.
No,
njyewe nawe rero tuzamuganiriza
no thanks.
oya
D has paid his debt to society.
D igihano mwamuhaye yaragifungiwe yarakirangije
Therapy and my behavioral modification technique.
yari ari kuri therapy ndi kumuvura kandi agenda agaragaza ko azamera neza kugira ngo yigaragaze muri sosiyete neza
Live a relatively normal life.
A normal.
yongera abeho ubuzima busanzwe
There is a big difference in what's normal for
hari itandukaniro hagati ya D n'ubuzima busanzwe bw'abantu ntabwo yabushobora
Dr. Underwood.
Dr. Underwood
You know you're obligated to contact the authorities.
urabizi kwemerera guhamagara ubuyobozi
Patients might do themselves or others harm.
mu gihe umwe mu burwayi urwaje ubonye hari ikibi yakora kuki utaduhamagaye
I don't know where D is.
D ntabwo nzahana ariko
I'm sure you understand that confidentiality is the basis.
kandi muri kano kazi kacu k'ubuganga dukora ikintu cya mbere tugenderaho ni confidentiality ibanga ry'umurwayi
Doc.
I'm sorry you feel that way. Well, unless you have some kind of court order.
keretse niba urukiko rwaguye urupapuro rwo kuza kumfunga n'ubundi nsohokera mu nzu nuko abari abakora nta kuza witwaje ngo ufite badge yarakubwira ati ariko nimba nta rupapuro rukwemera kuza mu nzu yanjye kumbaza n'ibibazo byinshi busohotse turacyafite ibindi byo kwitaho abantu bazi uburenganzira bwabo mu nceri kugira ngo hari umuntu wakwinjira mu rugo rwawe kuko yiboneye
Your place.
banza guca kubavuka
So
nk'ijana
he's not a threat.
icyo nababwira umusore nta kibazo ateje pe njyewe nari maze iminsi murwaje uriya musore nta kibazo ateje kari kutubwira kandi uriya musore kuko bamusanze mu rugo iwe ababibonye babibonye. Nibutse ufite imodoka ifite ikibazo, igaraje rya Didisha, iryo garaje riba hariya kuri Cafe du Siècle, kwirange bararoze.
Shaughnessy.
Shaughnessy, umugore rwitwa.
Younger brother, Professor Sean Forrester, is some big brain history scholar.
Ati twamaze kumenya makuru
Turned a half.
ko ari umuvandimwe wa D witwa Sean.
He's
Ngo
open
bamubonye ahantu ku kirwa niwe yaramaze iminsi aba.
breakfast.
Ahantu mbega yafunguye akabari nyine usanga gatanga bed and breakfast.
Place called Guardian Island.
Ngo bahita Guardian Island.
Get me someone in the Washington State Police.
Mpamagarira abantu muri Washington Police turiko twaboherezayo.
Got it.
Sawa. Bamenye kurumva nimba umuntu utangiye guhigwa na leta bahita bavuga ati yarafite muri umuntu wenda uri ku kirwa ashobora kuba yahungiye kwa bene wabo, dutangira kuguhigira kwa bene wanyu no mu nshuti zawe iyo twakubuze cyangwa akabari ukunda kunyweramo. Ese urwunge niye ukunda kurunywera cyane cyane iyo wakoze icyaha bakunda kuguhigira kuko bavuga atahana nywera urwunge ntago yahacika kuko umuntu wanyweye ku rwunge ntago yarufaho. Barakwereka umusore ko kwese afata ubwato yerekera Guardian Island. Katurori uramubona ariko Yesu aza kukirwa. Ikirungo cy'abagabo muri umuna we Shani. Kandi Shani batubwiye ngo yapfuye. Muri umuna we.
Back to the mainland.
Gensubiye kuri mainland. Bano ubwato bwa basherifu. Uri kumwe n'abari abapfuye se. Wapfuye ari umuvandimwe wanjye. Kuri iki kirwa umuntu wapfuye baramuzi. Ikirwa kiba ari nk'agasantere gato aho bagize ibyago haba hazwi. Nuko natwe twakuze ahantu bakoresheje ubukwe tuba tuhabona insina zihari bavuga ati reka mbe maciye mu kanya ndagaruka ku gasuti ndanywaho tu ko byamera kose. Katurori musore yaje hano ni ku kirwa. Musore aza hano kumuvana yarambwiraga ati hari akantu kameze nk'akabari cyangwa se akamoteri banaryamamo kuvugurura. Rebe inshuti n'umuryango ba Shani Forest nibo bemerewe kuza mu kiri.
Sorry, Q, your new shiny object.
That is bullshit.
Honestly, Joe,
Ntakurino.
he's a little weird. I think he's trouble.
Cyena nabonye ko yu ashobora kuba ari ikibazo. Bari kuganira.
Are you kidding me?
Wibuke kari muri umuna we.
I'm trying to look out for you.
Oh,
Bari hano bari kuganira ro babonye. Rebe filime z'ubwenge ubundi nuko zitangira. Umusore avayo. Umusore yari yarafunzwe.
D. Forrester.
Banyita D. Forrester.
brother.
Muvandimwe wa Sean. Karize.
You're in room 12.
Ndagushyira mu cyumba 12. Rebe muri hoteli bita Novarandi. Novarandi bafunguye n'ishami.
Make it.
Ntabwo twari tuzi ko buze kuza. Umusore menya batamwizera.
Oh,
Hanakomeje kureba birimo.
so they're all in the back with Sean
Bose bari inyuma bari kumwe na Sean umurambo wenyine.
upstairs and.
Urashaka kujya bari? Oya.
I need to use my room first.
Reka mbanze njye mu cyumba cyanjye.
How would I show you up?
Reka nkwereke icyumba uri bujyemo. Rebe. Iyi ni ya moteri ya murumuna we nyine murumuna we yiberaga ku kirwa. Katurori. Ujye bari baramufungiye kwica. Bamaze kumurekura ari kuri parole bareba ko imyitwarire y'abamyiza bakamukorekya burundu.
Still shot.
Yisafuna umuntu bari guhigwa.
Here's your key.
Hano hahoze ari ibirindiro bya Navy bya Navy mukubita urufunguzo rwe. Ntavuga amagambo menshi. Umugabo aratuje. Gusa icyo yakoreye umugabo twakibonye. Hey! Filime bayise Dangerous. Katurori arabanza hindura ikote.
Sorry for your loss.
Ananditse ati mwihangane kubwo rw'ibyago mwagize.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Ariko repeto tugamba ari buze kuvuga.
Prayer.
Ntago amenyereye gutanga condolence. Ariko itoza ukuntu ari buze kuyivuga. Iyo umaze kuvuga condolence uyambira umuntu wagize ibyago akitoza kuyambira ndayambira abantu nese nabyazi nibanda. Iyo umaze guhumuriza umuntu ubwira ngo condolence uramuyambira.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Ubundi ukahita umuntu wagize ibyago ati se icyo nagukorera cyagufasha. Arikumva? Nyine ari kugerageza kwibaza utugamba ari bubwira abagize ibyago ubwo ni nka famiye kuko nawe yagize ibyago ni muri umuntu wapfuye ubundi ugakora ku rutugu rw'umuntu wagize ibyago gahoro garuka mubwira ati ahangane akumwe bahoza akana mbega ni urugoryi nimba ruba mu yihesi ntabwo kiza ukuntu nyine wahumuriza umuntu agakonda ariko ntababeshye nanjye ntabyo nzi isaha y'isoni nye buri gihe ahitanywe ikinini uyu mugabo afite umuganga afite babaterapisite bamuvuraga afite uwamuvuraga umugabo nk'abo usanga afite ihungabana na mu mutwe byarashaguye cyane ko yarafungiye no kwica yarahumuye
John, tell that son of a bitch anything, am I right?
Yashan.
History, science, anthropology. Brain like a goddamn elephant.
Bakiri kuganira ku kuntu uriya mugabo wapfuye arazi ubwenge nta kintu atarazi yebe siyansi biki oye mucicike ruinji asa nk'atamenyereye abantu sakura muri umuntu wapfuye ihe mukecuru mama
sorry for your loss.
Condoleance.
Touch me.
Ntunkoreho yaragiye kumuyambira bimwe yasomye
Nerve coming here.
uranatinyuka kuba wajana
Someone said friends and family.
ariko itangazo ryavuga ko inshuti n'abanyamuryango bari bazi wari ku ruhe ruhande muri ibyo bibiri
Sorry?
biki uyu ni mama
Already said that.
warabyivugiye
Is there anything else you want to say to me?
hari ikindi uvushaka kumbwira ari gutongana na mama we wapfuye ni murumuna we mama ari kumusomera oya
Perfect.
sawa
It's just perfect.
aho ni sawa nyine umukecuru ahita yikubita aragenda menya iki cyana muri famiye banacyanga cyase kititwara neza ku buryo na murumuna we yapfuye muri ko famiye abazungu none baragakemuye wagira ngo babanye na korona ubuzima bwabo bwose gushyingura ni babantu bane guhuruza abantu ngo amuza yapfuye Kigali yose amaraso agahagarara abantu bagata akazi kabo kubera bintu biri mu bisubiza shani igihugu inyuma gasanga twataye akazi kora mu nzara z'umuvandimwe yapfuye irimo ibintu bisa nk'umukara kureba ku ijosi abona hari ikintu kimeze nk'urukovu nk'urusebe basa nkaho banadoze nimba wapfuye byimenye rucisheni nanjye ariko njye ntabwo nzapfa yamanutse ku gikwa ese ko bacyita igikwa kiba kimeze nk'urwego vuga mukuru muri umuntu wapfuye
You got my letter.
inzandiko twohereje wazibonye
No, you would come.
nakwandikiye nazi kuri buze kuza
Glad you're here.
nishimiye kuri hano
Nice things about you.
muri umuntu yajyaga kuvugaho ibintu byiza jewe
Was the nice one.
shani yari umuntu mwiza kuri njye muri umuntu we
I am so sorry about Linda.
babarire ku bwa mama wawe Linda menye yarakaye nyine mama we yitwa Linda
Why is she upset?
kubera iki yarakaye
Because her son just died.
kubera ko umwana we yapfuye ikigoryi ibintu kiba kibaza
That was days ago.
Is there anything that I can do to help?
ese hari ikintu nakora ngo ngufashe
Okay. Just let me know, okay?
uze kumenyesha sibyo
I'm supposed to say that.
musore
You were a little hard on Dee back there.
umuhungu wawe ariko nawe umubwiye nabi hari inyuma uwo ni D
On D? You can't feel anything. That's the whole problem. You have no idea what I've been through, Susan.
Susan we ntabwo usibye nanyuzemo
Has done.
ntabwo usibye uriya mwana wanjye diye kuri famiye yacu
When the cops came knocking on our door at the middle of the night, waking us up.
abapolisi barashobora dukomangira nijoro baradukangura na shani
So hard doing his best to be good enough for
mu gihe shani yari ari kwiga kugira ngo arebe ko yaza akavaringa icyuho cy'umuvandimwe we
all due respect to my daughter-in-law. Just pour it and shut it.
we nimba ushaka kutivanga mu by'umuryango wanjye nsukira inzoga uzibi ndakwinginze nsukira urwunge umuntu wagize ibyago rero urwunge rufite ukuntu uramufata mu mugongo mukazana wanjye nsukira urwunge uzibaho muri make urwunge rumurutira umukazana n'umukecuru uyu nawe si ugusuka urwungeye yiva inyuma ararusuka umukecuru ngaho ufata urwunge umwe umukazana udaha nyirabukwe urwunge nyine ubwo nawe umenye ko bakwirukanye ciyazi ku rwunge mukaza tumwemo ku bwa shani wapfuye iyo umuntu yapfuye banywamo ku bwe banywa kandi urwunge suka y'urwunge none abakecuru n'abakobwa b'inkumi beza bamenye ibanga ry'urwunge.
Hey.
Dore n'abagabo nyagasani.
Massey.
Je banyita Massey.
Massey. Sean's friend from college.
Inshuti ya Sean kuva muri kaminuza. Archaeologist. Byakora.
You want a drink? It's a wake after all.
No.
Kangusukira urwunge n'ubundi twaje gushyinguro ya.
I don't drink anymore.
Nabaye magaritse kunywa inzoga. Hari abantu bareka inzoga kuko bakijwe, hari n'abazikurwaho na muganga. Hari n'abazikurwaho n'amakosa zibakoresha. Naho twese shaho wavuga iby'ubuki inzu iby'iki n'iki iby'inzu cy'ubuki ni bwaribwa. Hano hari sheriff n'ushinzwe umutekano mu gace nawe barashe gushingura. Ni sheriff ni cyamamari Tyrese.
Yeah. I'm at a friend's wake. Guardian Island.
Andi ku kiriyo cy'inshuti yacu cya Guardian Island.
No shit.
FBI oya ngo FBI barabizi neza kariwe ngo ni sheriff n'ushinzwe umutekano. Abamuhamagaye ni FBI.
Details.
Munyorereze details zose, munyorereze details mbereke. Uyu mugabo hari amakuru bamuhaye. Bakira gukurikira filime. Umusore yaje kwiryamira. Umuntu we yapfuye. Kumbe dore muganga we, Mel Gibson.
Alderwood.
It's me, D. Ninjewe D.
D.
You said that reconnecting with my family would be essential to my recovery.
Siwambwiye ngo kongera kwiyunga na famille yanjye biri mu bintu bizatuma noroherwa vuba byihuse.
Oh. And how did that go?
Uye na mama we byagenze uterera.
She told me that I should leave.
Yambwiye ngo vana utumuka.
I'm so sorry.
Wihangane D.
It's an understandable initial response.
Gusa igisubizo none yagoye kirumvikana.
For a while. It's gonna be
biraza kugorana makanya. Nawe bikugore.
Exercises we practiced.
Imyitozo twakubwiye se yo guhumeka uri kuyitoza. Guhumeka winjiza umwuka usora.
All the hard work we put in.
Wibuke akazi kose n'imbaraga nagushyizeho.
D, take those lithium pills too, all right? Don't.
Nibyo binini bya lithium ngwa ujye ubinywera iki. Biraza kugufasha.
You may even start to have feelings or emotions.
Ndetse uraza gutangira nawe ugira ibyiyumviro n'amarangamutima nk'abandi bantu. Menya iki gisore nta marangamutima nta emotion kigira. Kuko umuvandimwe wacu yapfuye ariko kigaramiye hariya.
Is there anything you need to tell me?
Ese hari ikindi waba ukeneye kumbwira?
Anything that may have happened recently?
Nk'ikintu kimaze iminsi kikubayeho?
No.
Oya, yanga kumubwira ko amaze iminsi yisha umuntu. Hari umuntu yakubitiye muri douche.
You're not the same man you used to be, D.
D, wibuke ko utari umugabo wahoze uri we na mbere.
All right?
Sibyo?
Okay. I will.
Good. Anything else?
No.
All right. Well, call me anytime. Yeah, bye.
Uyayitazana wibuke sheriff ara makuru bamuhaye bakina ukurikire filime. Yeah.
You're my Uncle D, aren't you?
Niwe oncle wanjye D, sibyo? Niwe Fred kanu nakana ka mukuru munda we.
Grandma says you're insane.
Nyogokuru ko yambwiye ngo uri umusazi. Ntago ndi umusazi. Umve.
I've antisocial personality.
Sinkunda abantu.
What does that mean?
Bisobanuye iki se?
Means a pervasive pattern of disregard.
Bigaragaza ko ngiye nta kintu mba nitayeho.
What does that?
Ushobora no kubangamira uburenganzira bw'umuntu.
I don't care how people feel.
Bisobanuye ko nita ku kuntu abandi bantu biyumva. Habe na gato.
I also don't have that capacity to feel fear.
Ikindi ntago njya niyumva mu bwoba.
Make me insane.
Ese ubwo ibyo nibyo bingira umusazi?
No.
Yeah.
I just see the world a little differently.
Ahubwo ngiye isi nyibona mu buryo butandukanye nuko abandi bayibona.
What do you have there?
Aho ufite miki?
Submarine.
Iyi ni submarine, ni bwa bwato bugendera munsi y'inyanja. Kigabo hano ariko ngo ngiye nanga abantu sinkunda ahantu hari abantu baramunukira bamuterarije. Ngo kandi akora ibintu atitaye ukuntu abantu bari bubibone cyangwa bari bubivuge. Yitaye ku kirano yahise abona inzandiko zoherejwe na FBI zivuga ko uyu mugabo ari wanted ari guhigwa. Kandi uyamubonye ku kirwa bereye sheriff ahita akura yimbunda. Hey! Uriya musore FBI iri kumuhiga. Yuko ari umuntu yanigiye muri douche kandi yareshize iminsi bamurekuye ari kuri parole n'ikibazo
saw something in D that wasn't there.
Shani buri gihe yabonaga ikintu kidasanzwe muri D ariko twese tutabona kidahari.
Well, I knew he got out, that's it.
Yagiye muri gereza asohoka muri gereza nibyo tuzi.
What did he tell you about this submarine?
Ese Popo ni iki yakubwiye kuri submarine? Freddy?
Go upstairs.
Jya hejuru.
Now, please.
None hajya hejuru. Uyu mugabo baramutinya. Kano nakana ka murumuna wabereye onkere ariko baramutinya.
You don't belong here.
We hano nta kari hubarizwa.
I'm Sean's brother.
Tumufani wa Sean.
It's the category I fit in.
Iyi niyo kategori mbarizwa mu baje gushyingura.
You gave up the right to call yourself family a long time ago.
We famille yacu wavumaze kuyivamo kera cyane. Sherifu yashashe kumufunga. Nyagasani.
I'm the same person that I was back then.
Ntago nyiri umuntu naboze ndiwe maze iminsi mvurwa.
It's got me doing breathing exercises.
Maze iminsi nkora imyitozo yo guhumeka.
I'm on medication.
No kunywa imiti.
That won't change who you are.
Ibyo ntago byahindura uriwe diwe mama we. Kubera iki?
Because you're insane.
Kubera ko uri umusazi. Mukecuru. Hey! Sheriff. Mugabo ntajya fari ntanyiganyega yaratubwiye ngo ntakiri ubwoba. Tugufungiye kuba wagerageje kwica umuntu.
You know the routine. Hands behind your back.
Amaboko inyuma. Ibintu bikorwa nk'ibisanzwe.
Now.
Ukayashyira inyuma. Rebe.
Spread them.
Tandukanya amaguru se.
Feds are on the way.
FBI iri mu nzira.
I'm down in the bunker.
Umusore baramutwara mujyanye muri banka. Charles durakana bereye tonto. Shaba tonto baragwira. Ukabona bagenda.
Right here.
Aho. Rebe.
Don't even think about it.
Ntunabitekereze. Byo kuba yagerageza nko gucika cyangwa kurwanya inzego. Rebe.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Genda wicare. Uyu musherifu afite ikijwi. Sinabwiye ko ari nge sherifu w'uyu mujyi.
How'd you kill?
Oh, you'd have to be a
Ese noneho wishe nde?
little more specific.
Ariko warasa kuniga bwo urambaza ndi nishe.
You must be pretty happy the sheriff's got the psychopath.
Menya ariko mwese mwishimye ku buriya musazi waruje ku kirwa sherifu amaze kumufunga.
Yeah. Right, Joe?
Buri famille yose igira umusazi. Nkibaza ariko nta famille ibura umusazi nkuko nta famille ibura ikigoryi.
Hey, Joe.
Ariko abasazi babaye benshi.
I knew Sean.
Shani nari muzi.
Go way back.
Twari tuziranye mbere.
Not once they ever mentioned having a brother.
Ariko nta rimwe yigeze ambwira ko afite umuvandimwe.
The murderer?
Rumwicanyi. Mva sherifu ikibazo abaza ariko. Rumwicanyi.
He's just on the phone talking.
Twari turi kuri telefone tuvugana.
He wants me to come here and see him.
Ambwira ngo arashaka kuzazana akamubona.
He said he wanted to talk to me about something.
Murumuna wajya gupfera yambwiye ngo ari ikintu ashaka ko nazana tukavugana.
Now he's dead.
None yapfuye.
And you're here.
None ni ubwo ugaragaye ni bwo uje hano.
Strange, don't you think?
Urumva ibyo bintu bidatangaje batangiye no gushaka umushinja amenye ko ari wishe murumuna we.
What is that?
Cyo ni igiki?
I need to take my pills.
Nkeneye gufata ibinini byanjye. Iyi saa isonnye anywa ibinini. Ubuzima niko bumera. Umuntu usanga
Can't reach him.
ntago nabigeraho binkuriremo. Aramwegera.
They're in my front pocket.
Biri mu mufuka w'imbere humura. Ngo baramutinya. Yambaye amapinga ari muri brigade ariko nukubanza bakamutunga imbunda.
You see my finger?
Urutoki rwanjye uri kurubona. Yo kumubwira tukora ikosa ruri mu mbarutso ndakumena. Ndakumena. Hey.
Don't budge. Be smart.
Ugira ubwenge n'ubuke. Ubuka nkurasa. Umugabo bamutinye. Yatwibwire ngo ngisingira ubwoba. Hey. Sinita ku by'abantu bari buvuge cyababona amarangamutima ya businyitayo. Menyera ibyo bimugira umusazi. Byo byita ngo ikisi byita depressants.
Control my impulses.
Bimfasha gukontorora umutwe wanjye. N'uburyo kimvuganamo n'abantu uburyo nitwaramo.
They make me more normal.
Ibyo binini iyo mbinkwiye nibwo mba normal. Nibwo mba umuntu usanzwe nk'abandi. Bize ngiye atarabinywa bari umusazi. Zarasose insinga zo mu mutwe. Yamufatira ikinini n'ibitoki nimba yanakarabye sinzi unyeganyega nkurasa. Rasama. Ashukunyeyo tanandu mu rutoki wanjye korkiwe. Yewe dukona kanina kanyinyira. Umugabo koko byarajaguye we. Kigabo byarajaguye. N'uburyo kireba murana ko byajaguye. Ko kireba nka sabe we. Buryo kinywamo ibinini ni busabe. Umuntu ukabona zarasose. Kigabo byarajaguye. Sabe w'i Bugande hari uwinaha ararengana. Umukobwa avayo hano azaniye Sheriff agakawa.
Thank you.
Murakoze. Sheriff afite urujwi.
Would you like some coffee?
Tuguye ku gakawa.
Thank you.
Well, if you change your mind.
Nendere ibitekerezo tubwire tukaguhe. Kirohora ubwato yumvishije.
I didn't expect the FBI to be here so soon.
Ntago nari ko FBI bugire hano byihuse cyane.
This big boy on the table right here.
Ubu ngubu rero wa musore ngiye gusigira bari abantu.
Crazy.
Iyi mbunda muko yigumane naza n'ubugoryo yitumurasa. Acho. FBI ubwo nigiye kumwitwarira. Ikurikirana ibyo bimeze bite.
Evening, fellas. Didn't expect to see y'all out here tonight.
Ntago nari nzikirishore bwo muri buse kuzana aba FBI yahamagaye.
What are you doing all the way out here?
Sheriff urakurikirana.
We got the call.
Ariko mwamamagaye.
Came out. We handled it.
Ibibazo nze hano mbe mbyito mu bikemura inyuma.
I will see about that.
Ibyo turaba tubireba.
Why so many of you guys for one dude?
Ese ko muje muri benshi ko hejuru y'umugezi wa nabo?
No.
Niyo uyoboye se dore n'ubu. Uyoboye afayo. Turukuntu bareba Sheriff n'agasuzugura baje. Bahita bamusigano barigendera.
What field office are you boys with?
Ariko ubundi muri aba ofisiye bakorera mu kiye gisata. Rebe. Abantu na discipline bafite na grama shinzwe umutekano. Ntago muri FBI mwebwe.
Not exactly.
Ntago turi FBI. Fire! Ntago ari FBI. Abantu bahita babyumva.
9mm.
Ibyo ni ibiki 9mm n'ubwoko bwa pistol. Usore yumva n'urusaku rw'imbunda akamenye iyo ariyo.
What was that?
Cyo byari ibiki. Fire! Hey! Fire! Masasu ku kirwa. Hey!
We should.
Urabizi tugira icyo tubikoraho. Dukoreho ikintu. Bebe. Fire! Chawe! Masasu. Hey! Wait. Dokari kanga. Saniri ya mbunda.
You can trust me.
Wanyizera. Nyizera.
Oh, you can shoot me.
Cyangwa ndase nimbuta nyizera. Uyu mugabo ni umusazi. Hey! Masasu kuri Sheriff. Ibi filime. imikino bano bagabo barashaka iki ku kirwa kuri musore hari n'abandi twigeze kubona bamwinjirana
to the lighthouse.
Sniper ajya kuri lighthouse kira kintu kimeze nk'umunara
Pike recon the island.
turasaka ikirwa cyose dusake mu nzanu hose bano bagabo barashaka iki abagabo barashaka iki katururi urebe yo
Lock it down.
muhafunge hose bahacakaza urebe
Hey. Who the hell are you people?
muri bande mwa bantu
Where's the sheriff?
sheriff ari hehe bibutsa ko ndi sheriff w'umujyi wose waba yicaye muri kundeba nabo njya mbona bo station bagerageza kwiba insirenge zacu nta n'umufungo baduhaye naje mbabwira ko ndi sheriff w'uyu mujyi mubabona mwiwe
What have we here? Don't move.
Iki dufite hano
Does it look like I'm going anywhere?
urabona nsa nkaho hari aho ngiye se umukobwa ni bageze muri brigade mwese mwumvishe boss mwese telefone zanyu muzishyiremo hano bebe bose amatelefone agendanwa bayashyiremo hari abataza no guhamagara inzego z'umutekano kama hariya
And I just told you where he was.
bareba uyu telefone yawe iri wa mukinga we ayinagamo ni P37 yari yanze kuyirekura ya Itel bebe shukunyemo hano
Hey, I got a pretty young thing locked.
mvana aragakobwa keza mabonye winyita agakobwa ko gafunze umutwe
Eyes until we find out what they know.
nta muntu n'umwe turi bwice mpaka tumaze kumenya ibyo bazi bano bagabo barashaka iki barashaka kubanza kumenya
We're good. Rest of them looks clear.
ibyumba byose mbonye nta wundi muntu urimo amatelefone barayamena sha yarayiterisha ukuntu akora neza
Why did that guy ask if we were the feds?
kugira mugabo yasaga niba turaba FBI
We're here right now.
ni ukubera ko FBI iri mu nzira isa hano nuna mukecuru
Plan stays the same.
mipango yacu ni yayindi
Why would anybody lock you in a cage?
muko kuki bagufunze
Sure, why don't we open the door and find
wakinguye se ukabimbaza neza turebana do kimwe cyewe umugabo ni mubi cyane hasi fata imfunguzo
What did you do?
we ukoze ibiki mvuniye mu ivi ndamutimbuye aba bagabo baje ku kirwa kiriho umusazi
You didn't kill him?
ntabwo mwishe
I don't kill people anymore.
oya ntabwo nyica abantu muri make yahoze mbica ariko ubusinyi bica
Shouldn't we? He's a bad guy, right?
none se ubundi twakamwishe buriya si umuntu mubi nyumvira abakobwa b'iyi minsi ibyo ni ibikoreba nimba uri umwica sigara umwica musore ati mw'iyi minsi sinyica abantu iyo umuntu akubwiye ati mw'iyi minsi sinyica abantu umenya ko abo yishe bahagije cyangwa se umubare yari yarihaye yawugejeje katurore isadundira mukurikira abakobwa buriya nta keza kabo bo muri Amerika bo mu Rwanda muri abana beza uyu muntu tumwica
Whimper.
bimeze bite wimpa ntabwo ari kwita
What's going on with him? Go.
genda umenye wimpa yabaye iki wamize ati
Hey! Upstairs. No surprises.
wewe jya gucungira hejuru atagira ikidutungura
Being a cancer dean. The weather
mbega yagenze ute kumbe dore wa mugore wa FBI ari mu nzira zana
Nothing yet.
No answer at the end.
n'ubu ndacyari guhamagara kuri ka gahoteli kari kuri kiriya kirwa na muri kwitaba
Friend from the shower.
ya nshuti yawe se mwakubitiye muri dushe imeze itari muri koma
Dean knew that removing his ankle bracelet would trigger a response.
In all my years of tracking Dee, he never left a body or a witness. So why leave this guy alive in his own apartment?
ikintu nibaza ku cyuriya mugabo yasize umuntu utapfuye ntanamusiga ari muzima yabikoreye iki biga yasize umuntu uri muri koma ntaba yapfuye ntaba ari na muzima shani we wacishe
Where you? really fucked up, didn't you?
I had to. He was on to me.
Yeah, muri hangana. Sean.
Where is he?
Kiri hehe? Ese uyu wapfuye baramubaza iki? Eh? Ni iki babuze? Hey!
You really fucked up, didn't you?
Man, wangije ibintu sibyo?
I had to.
Nagomba kubikora.
He was on to me.
Yari amaze kumenya. Bino turabiganiraho nyuma bisa nkaho yari yoherejwe kuneka Sean. Ese Sean wapfuye baramubaza iki? Baramubwiye ngo kiri hehe? Ikintu kuri kiri film. N'abagabo ba Jean. Sean ni murumuna wa D. Yapfuye.
What's taking so long?
Felix kuki byatinze? Uri ariruka. Yo arirukanga. Patroli. Hey, barakurikira. Urabe, bano bagabo basha kukirwa barashaka iki? Urabe filime witonze. Uyacisheni. Bimeze bite? Mugabo? Uyarababona ntangagari sara yirukanga ihubagurika. Biterwa n'ubukene. Nubona umuntu wari imbere ya mikoro ari kuvuga ubusa atonga na sara n'ubukene. Ntangagari ivuga amagambo menshi. Turingagara ukuntu isi igenda gahora abakene iyoboye bakiruka. Mumurase. Faya! Fisha ukuntu ingagari zikora. Mumurase. Hey! Ako mwebwe abakene nimba ari ubukene. Mungubitira shamutimburo wo mu Karitasi. Oya ingagari avuga ati mumurase.
I'll kill you too.
Nawe barakwica. Mukirasubiramo imbere gahoro. Bano bagabo barashaka iki kukirwa. Barabanza iki Sean wapfuye. Icara hasi. Nta mukira usakuza. Ngwino. Ubukene bubasakurisha no kuba mutarakira Yesu muri mwe na Muhammad icyarimwe. Bicara hano. Bano bagabo barashaka iki?
So now do you understand what happens when you don't help me?
Ikiri bube ni mutamfasha muri kukibona.
That makes things a little bit clearer.
Reka nizere ko ibintu none muri gusobanukirwa ikiri bubabeho ni nko kubabwira ati nimutansobanurira ndabica kandi akabivuga tuje kugera no babona urwana.
Hey buddy boy.
Bite mwana muto. Kan. Kigabo kirakinga. Bagabo bashobona ko bitoje. Buryo bafatamo imbunda buryo umugabo bafashamo imbuduka kabibona katari civilian. Whipper.
Holy shit. In the hell are you doing in here by yourself?
We got
a situation in the boat.
Jesus
Christ. Someone fucked up Whipper real bad.
Get down here now.
Branch adi tumanukana nona. Wari umuntu wamukubise. Fayona nona. Amafaranga katangiye kumushiramo. Kiratangiye gusakuza. Yako byakomeye.
It looks like they have a lot of guns.
Batatu kandi birasa ngo bafite imbunda nyinshi.
You ever nice?
Kana bakazana kano kana kitwa Fred. Umuntu ukita umwana we Fred ariko akana k'imyaka 3 mu bacunge.
You wanna come with me?
We ngwino tujyane jonde merutse gusura mu rugo rwa numva bari kujya bamagara. Ukadamasena ariko mwagafashe katagwa. Nsanga nakana k'umwaka kitwa Damascene narababaye hano n'ubusinda asubirayo bakomeza imbere. Kugirano
What did you do, you idiot?
Kubikora iki wakigora iki baratonganya umurambo. Byande bavuga ngo uyishe nari kumbe umusazi. Uyu bamwita umusazi ngo ntabwo bagira nta maranga mutima agira ngo ibinini ngo byatuma no yongera kuba umuntu usanzwe akagira ama emotion. Hari ibintu byinshi kureho ntakunze.
Shut the fuck up.
Funga umunwa kigoryiwe. Yarababona. Arababona. Hey! Cyabinshiranye. Mukobwa nawe avayo. Yavuye n'icyuma mushombe. Mukobwa avuze induru nyagasani. Kira kigabo menya ari igisazi we. Wa mwana w'umukobwa cyagatabaye dusize kigiye kumushomba icyuma. Yitavayo. Fuck! Stay.
Hey.
Umukobwa nacyabaye. Yo maniga baby.
He's a pretty lady.
Mukobwa mwiza nkawe.
With a shotgun.
Arakora n'ikina shotgun nibira bibunda. Baby! Kikiri gutereta ubundi ni ikimuzazi.
I needed a scream.
kucyo nkase nagira ngo uvuze indura ze.
Fuck is wrong with you?
Ufite icyo kibazo kiba gikasa umukobwa kugira ngo avuze induru nkaho kimubwiye ngo vuze induru atayivuze. Ikigoryi. Bazana. Ni banka. Bari nk'indake kavumu hasaho. Cyo bita banka. Yuko nabona hari guhigo yitwa Dylan Forrester. Siche. Bebe. Ariane. Menya bana muzi. Ariane. Ubuke bari ibyo bari guhiga ni ibifitwe.
Get it done.
Abo nohereje ngo bwice menye batarabikoze.
Of course he's here. It's his brother's funeral.
Yajano garaje gushingura umuvandimwe we.
Guy's a psychopath, man.
Kandi uramugabo n'umusazi.
You remember Lansing and Harvey? Bogota?
Uribika ibyo yakoreye muri Bogota? No, muri Missouri ibyo yakoreye.
He killed everyone while we just watched.
Yishe abantu bose turi kureba.
Here's what I don't get though.
Uriya musore ni mubi cyane baramutinya.
Finish off Wimper when he had the chance.
Kuki satisha Wimper kandi yarafite amahirwe? Menya gereza yatumye acika intege akisigaye yoroshye. Yagasani. Uriya musore bisa nkaho bano bagabo bamuzi. Uribuka ibyo yakoreye Bogota n'ibyo yakoreye za Missouri. Yagasani ngo yishe abantu araba. Fire! Icyari cyakomeje. Bira nibiki?
That felt good.
Numvisha ari byiza.
Let's get to work. Come on.
Tujye mu kazi.
Go!
Wari wakubiswe yacitse intege babonaga ruri barushye bamurwaza nta mbaraga bafite zo kurwaza no kwikorera umuntu wabavunaguye bakeneye amaraso yo guhiga uno mugabo bamenye ko yahageze bimeze bite.
Whoever kills D gets Wimper's cut. Good? Good.
Uncle D!
Uncle D!
Gutters.
Yashana.
Close this place down.
Ni gute inzu bayifungamo?
The lever behind the lamp.
Yeah. Inzu yose barayifunga bayishyiraho ibyuma barayitanangira bano bari basohotse bose inzu yose ayifunga.
Hey, Blanchard's still in there.
Blanchard yarakirimo indani.
Deep shit.
Bivuze ngo ari mu bibazo.
Blanchard?
Usigaye muri iriya nzu ngo ari mu bibazo. Mugenzi wabo.
Find me a way back in.
Mushake inzira idusubizamo indani. Urebe filime.
What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, he cut me.
Cyageze bitumeze neza. Urebe.
You bring this here now, during Sean's funeral?
Bino byose niwe biteye ku kiriyo cya Sean. Ntabwo ari njye bashe guhiga ariko.
Oh, right. This is just a coincidence.
No, birahuriranye. Umukecuru.
Phones.
Ukeneye telefone.
Can these work?
I'm really struggling here.
Hano mafite ibibazo byinshi. Yamagaye wa muganga w'umugira inama.
Back in old habits. Well, yeah, I know.
Ndabizi.
I know it is, D.
Ndabizi yabigoye.
The only one to have trouble with that, believe me.
I want to do some of those things so bad.
Kumva nshaka gukora ibintu cyane.
D, you're different.
Wibuke ko usigaye utandukanye nuko wahoze.
It's an act of will.
Icyo ukora
Those new pathways of behavior we've created in your brain.
ugomba kumenya ugomba gukora ikintu ushaka ariko wabigitekereje kubera inzira nshyashya twashyizeho yawe. Ibyo agomba guhindukamo yose uri umusazi yica abantu.
Protect myself.
Bibaye ngombwa ko nirinda se.
Animal brain kicking in. Flight or fight, you know. But just stop. Count to 10, count to 100 if you need to, and ask yourself.
Mbere yuko basi wirwana ubanza utegereze nk'iminota ubare nk'icumi uhumeke.
The things you think you'll be proud of later.
Kandi utekereze ko ikintu uri buze kuba ugiye gukora ari ikintu uzaterwa ishema nacyo nyuma. Bishobora kuba atari ibyo ngiye gukora.
And you probably shouldn't do them.
Rero ubwo ntubikore. Ikintu ujya gukora ukumva utazaterwa ishema nacyo nyuma ntukagikore. Namwe mwumvire muri kureba iyi filime.
These pills, they make my hand shake.
Bino binini bituma intoki zanjye zinyerera. Zikanatitira.
Are you here?
Kubera iki muri hano?
Fuck you.
Kinamutuka sinya nsobanura ibitutsi.
You know how much I'd love to cut your eyes out and feed them to you?
Uzi ko nakwica baranga bakugaburira muri kumwe.
I don't do that kind of thing anymore though, Mike.
Ariko ibyo bintu ntabwo nkibikora byo kwica abantu no kubakata. Ngo yarahindutse yewe kandi nta bandiri biri sirimu. We. Katururi. Turacyari ku kirwa bakita Guardian. Abinkwakuzi batangiye kunywa urwungi.
What'd you do to him?
We spoke. It's disappointing.
Oh my God, you killed him?
Yeah, I'm watching the door. I'm watching you too, motherfucker. What are you gonna do, huh? Huh? You gonna go after him?
Ugiye gukora iki kubakurikirana?
No. There's 4 of them out there.
Uya hanze hari abagera muri 4 bagenzi babari.
Didn't kill any of them.
Kandi nta numwe nigize nice muri bo.
Out of this house and off this island.
Ndagira gusohoke muri inzu no kuri iki kirwa niwe wabaduteje. Ariko yadutabaye. Yitabaye.
The only person he cares about it and always has.
Kuko umuntu yitaho ni ubwe naho ndi muntu yitaho ntabwo yadutabaye ahubwo yitabaye.
Isn't that right, D?
Sibyo D? Yagasani nyina atangiye kumwirukana. Ahari.
Huh? Did you piss someone off? You steal something?
Ese ari ikintu wibyara abantu warakaje bari kukugendaho?
No.
Yeah.
Did you really kill people, Uncle?
Ese uko wica abantu uncle? Nakana biri.
Really bad people.
Abantu babi narabicaga. Abantu babi narabicaga Yagasani.
You should call this place Murder Island.
Aho kwita kino kirwa Guardian Island bazakita Murder Island. Kirwa cy'ubwicanyi. Bebe. Wambere avayo. Mama atangiye kumubwira ibyose niyo abiduteje. Yinywera ibinini bye bimuturisha. Ngo nta bwoba agira. Watangiye kumena urugi.
Shoot the bastard!
Rasi ikinyendaro. Yavuye n'imbunda. Kirarunguruka. Rasi ariko. Faya! Bakimena itara. Hey! Itara bararimennye. Bamumennye itara. Ikeka ndamurashe. Iki kivuye bakimennye ijisho.
Put the shotgun.
Umuntu ufite imbunda umurashe nawe murase. Sniper abona inzu yose irafunze.
I can't see into the house.
Unzu ntabwo ndi kuhabona.
Pull the fucking.
Rasa mu gikuta wakigwa arkiwe. Kubita isasura kubitora igataruka. Isasura kubitora igataruka uri sniper.
The whole thing's armor plated.
Inzu yose iriho ibyuma ntabwo isasura ryakwinjira. Very armor plated. Tururi.
Now we know he's watching.
Ubyibuza tumenye ko bari kutureba.
They're just testing us.
They're looking for you, not us.
Niwe bari guhigana karitwe.
To leave.
Dusohokere hano bajye kuguhiga wenyine uri kuduteza abantu. Umubyeyi ukona tumwana we.
Go.
Genda sohoka muri inzu uri kuduteza ibyago. Asohoye umwana wamwohereze mu bicanyi. Sha ababyeyi n'abakera koko. Okay. Icyo ntabwo bakigira kukibwira ngo sohoka ngo ujye ahantu hari abantu bafite imbunda n'ubundi. Ntabwo kiba cyumva ko hari ahandi ucyohereje hatandukanye naho cyari kiri.
Racked up some pretty sizable debt for a history professor in recent years. But not so much debt that he couldn't buy an island.
Tumaze kumenya ko Shani wapfiriye professeur yari muri wa D. Wepfiriye abantu yari afite ideni ryinshi ariko nanone umuntu nkawe wari professeur bidasobanutse ko yari afite ideni ringana gutya cyari cyinshi cyane. Yari no kubasha ritari gutuma gura kiriya kirwa.
Seems like being insane runs in that family.
Bisa nkaho hari ikintu cy'ubusazi kiri muri iriya famille turashobora kumenya kiriya kirwa n'iki kiriyo. Abantu bari kwicana.
This is your best bet.
How did Sean die? Exactly.
Ubundi Shani yapfuye ate muri wanjye.
Was restoring the lighthouse.
Yari ari kubaka ari ku lighthouse.
Done it every day until dark. That's when he
buri munsi yari akora guhera mu gitondo kugeza nijoro.
That's when he died.
Yapfuye yari ari gukora.
Someone else.
Cyane horaga mubwira ngo ashaka undi muntu umukorera ku kazi kanga.
He went out to take him dinner. That's when he found him.
Yo yagiye amushyira ibyo kurya asanga yaguye yapfuye. Yamanutse ngo kuri scaffold.
Just over a month.
Ni igikwa.
It's curious.
Tuzabaza sinzo.
Follow the trail behind the inn. It sweeps around the trees and leads about a half a mile.
Uca inzira inyura iruhande rw'ihoteli yacu hari inzira imanuka ikagera ku mazi.
I think you're doing the best that you can.
Kandi ngenda babona kuri gukora uko ushoboye penga b'umuntu muzima. Bamufataga nk'igicibwa. Namaze tuwisha banatinisha abantu babi narabamaze ahubwo. Usore nyine yazinze utwe yigendere. None se ko nyina mwirukanye akamubwira ati mvira hano. Ubundi ngo mvira mu rugo si mvira mu Rwanda. None iyo bakwirukanye no mu Rwanda ujya kubirwamagana.
He's gone.
Yagiye. Rigendeye. Baramusohoye mu Rwanda. Rwa mwijuru ryabo sha.
Yeah. Seriously, how are they going to know he's gone?
We'll have to tell him.
Ati sasa igisigaye ni ukubwira bari abarashi barabicanyi ko D yasohotse kugira batamuhigira muri iyi nzu. Barababwira bati
Back inside that building.
Dufite gusubira muri iriya nzu. Umusore inza kizukamo abicanyi bari gushaka gusubira muri iriya nzu. Dore ya lighthouse. Bambwiye ko muri umuna we ariho yapfuye ari muri yari profeseri iki cyo ni icyicanyi katururi musore gake gake yo hey Rebe abagabo baracyari hano ku mazi mu mazi po Rebe mazi bana babani sniper kuri kukabona sniper kureba hakurikiriya
It says D is gone.
Abari mu nzu baravuze ngo D yagiye. Ngo D yagiye.
The boat.
Hey. Rebe. Ibi film. Kumbe dore umusore. Sniper. Sniper hano. Ku gipimo. Sasu. Musore yitsimba. Rebe. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Listen. Yeah. Hey. Masasu ku bwato. Abagabo barashaka iki kuri iki kirwa. Na n'ubu ntiturakimenya. Abagabo yinjira mu bwato. Sori yatsu bwato ayitacisheni. Ayitacisheni. Yeah. Nubundi bamwirukanye. Yarabibasikiye n'ibibazo byabo. Uyu muntu kwirukanye nawe uramubwira ati nubundi nawe wimenye.
Still got the other boat. Try not to lose that one, you fucking moron.
Dusigaranye ubwato bumwe mwabajinga mwe nabwo nitububuri.
Sniper my ass.
Sniper wa gatafari we. Sniper kiss.
I got nothing, just rocks.
Hello?
Dr. Underwood? Hey, it's me, D.
Dr. Du, duranyumva. Yamagaye wa muganga umve.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Meze neza.
You still with your family?
Cyari kumwe na family yawe?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yego ndacyari hano.
I was gonna leave and then, well, they needed my help and...
Nari ngiye kugenda ariko ndatekereza ntibakeneye ubufasha bwanjye sinabatererana.
Good for you, D.
Ibyo ni byiza, D, ni byiza. Asoma ku rwunge.
Trying to do my best here and I...
Ndikugereza ukuri ko nshoboye hano.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Nobody's perfect.
Ukajye wigora nta ntungane bahorega.
I know.
Ndabizi.
Just I'm a little afraid it could get...
Gusa mfite ubwoba ko ibintu bishobora kuza kuba bibi cyane. Mbega bagomba kubanza akagisha inama muganga arumva yarasabana akabamara ariko abemva kongera kwica bana ari ikibazo.
One at a time instead of all of them at the same time and, you know, like we talked about.
Ati mbere kugira ikintu ukora, ikintu cyose gikore mu mwanya wacyo. Kirangira ujye mu bindi.
Yeah.
Yego.
Yeah, I could do that.
Ibyo nabikora.
Usually easier that way.
Nibwo buryo ibintu byoroha mu bundi kubikora.
You're the D we need you to be.
Kandi uri D dukeneye kuba we.
Keep at it, son.
Komereza usha ibintu by'ibikorwa ibintu bikoresha.
Advice.
Akoze kongera inama.
Whatever you need.
Nyine iki mbere gukora igikosa arabanza akamagara therapist we kugira ngo yumve uko bimeze umugabo ari ku rwunge. Ari ku rwunge. Sniper. Sniper kumbe hejuru ye. Hey! Inyuma ye. Umugabo yamugezeho. Yigize nk'agiye bagira ngo aragiye kumbe ntabwo yasiga abantu kandi asiko bari bukenera ubufasha bwe. N'abasivili famiye ye. Abagabo hari icyo bafite kireba mu butaka. Bya bimashini biri munsi y'ubutaka bakamenya ngo hano iki niki. Hey.
Oh my God. The guy with the big teeth is just standing out there.
Kigabo cy'ibyinyo birebire gihagaze hano imbere y'inzu.
You guys hear me in there?
Basore muri kunyumva?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Turakumva.
Sooner or later, that door is gonna open.
Bose cyangwa bitinze umuryango uraza gufunguka.
The door does open.
Umuryango ufunguka.
I want you to remember one thing.
Ndagira ngo mwibuke ikintu kimwe.
I don't need any of you alive.
Nta numwe nkeneye muri mwe ari muzima. Nyagasani.
If any one of you happens to be able to help me find what I came here for,
ariko muri mwagize umfasha kubona icyo cyanzanye hano gushaka,
maybe we'll be able to work something out.
ari njye nawe dushobora kugira ibyo tuganiraho umuntu akaba yamugumisha ari muzima. Uyu mugabo yaje gushaka icyano ku kirwa, arashaka ikintu n'ubu ntabwo tukizi.
What do these guys want?
We bano bagabo barashaka ikintu abo ntacyo bazi. Dina nuri hano ngabe yabidufashamo. Nyamara yavuze ukuri ntabwo ari bashaka.
But if they don't want D,
nimba atari D bashakaga,
we need to find out what they do want.
Dutangire dushaka icyo bari gushaka cya nyacyo.
Bari
bazi ko ari D bashaka.
It's closed till tomorrow.
But here's something, might be nothing, but a 36-foot luxury yacht was reported stolen.
Hari ubwato ngo babonye bwibwe
Down the coast yesterday.
ngo ku munsi w'ejo.
No. A local boat captain from that same marina
Says he dropped off a guy to the island today who matches D's description.
Yavuze neza ko umugenzi yatwaye kuri kiriya kirwa neza neza ngasa nka D. Yavuze ukuntu nyine bimuranga twese tubona ari D. N'aba FBI n'umugore wa FBI barifuza kugera kuri kiriya kirwa. Abagabo hano bafite mashini ari kureba munsi y'ubutaka. Iki bari guhigira munsi y'ubutaka. Ibi filime.
Where you going?
Ki?
The only way we're gonna find it is by getting one of them to tell us.
Uburyo bwo kubona bino bintu nuko umwe muri batubwira aho biri.
Another way inside that place.
Kandi ushobora gusanga ari indi nzira nanone irimo hariya muri iriya nzu. Abagabo hari ikintu bari gushaka, ntabwo turamenye ni igiki. Katurure.
Seismic testing.
Basinye seismic test.
What the fuck is going on here?
Kira ni ibiki bijya mbere hano. Seismic test ni biriya bisuzuma munsi y'ubutaka bakamenya ngo mu butaka harimo ibiki. Katurure. Mugabo hano abona indi nzira ku gapiki kabo. Abagabo bahakanye nk'uyu bamumennye ijisho ariko aracyari mu kazi. Ahita acana agarutse mu rugo urebe filime. Bebe zamuka hano, abagabo bari gushaka inzira. Zamuka hejuru. Abicanyi bari kwinjira mu nzu. Musore cyakoze nta kindi yazamutse hejuru y'inzu. Yabonye atabatererana. Ikintu cya mbere banje kwitaho no gukura mu nzira sniper. Yego kuri Blanchard. Byagenze gute? Kinga yanyubikiriye sha. Kombe bamutimbuye.
Good? Yeah.
Ize neza. Bize. Fite bunda. Na n'ubu ntago tuzi barashaka iki. Bagabo bari kwicana. Yaca hejuru y'inzu. Kibakirasiye. Kiniki. Umugabo ari hejuru y'inzu. We ni umusazi. Hano hari akapa kamuraburizaga ko bamukuye muri iyi nzu. Ugiye? Uretse man. Kari kakandi bari baziritse. Ebe. Nyana yimbwa. Aragenda atukana. Imba ari ikintu nanga no gutukana. Mbega ibintu byose bitarimo discipline. Mugabo yinjiramo indani. Ariko nta kintu numvisha. Nta kintu numvisha. Feza runguruka ariko nta kintu numvisha. Niko. Kana karakirasa ikigoryi. Kana ho kana n'umusazi. Bwa bunda bw'abana kayirwanyeho. Ni abana babarimo. Wacyaro shaka unda sasa inyuma y'umuryango. Rebe. Kimena umuryango. Makana.
Don't move.
Ntuva huri.
Freddy. Go downstairs.
Freddy manuka hasi gato nkubwire. Manutse hasi uyu mugabo tugane icyo kivugira gahoro.
You know,
Abese.
I'll embarrass myself in front of you down in that cellar.
Kare wankubise numva ndasebye.
I'm gonna have to make it
Niyo
up.
mpamvu nshaka ko twongera tugasubukura umurwano wacu kuko hariya wanyubikiriye cyewe kitarakora ku mbunda. Ndapfuye. Hey.
Freddy, what's the matter? Oh, what?
Bimeze bite?
Okay.
Hey, back the fuck up! Hey, back the fuck up! Everyone hands up! Now!
You know what? It's just as well that the boy left. My friend Ethel here is going to join us.
Nubwo umwana muretse ngagenda nuko nzi ko inshuti yanjye Ethel agiye kwinjirana akakumfasha. To baratagira gusa n'abasore.
Put it down, I'll blow her brains out. I'll do it.
Just don't hurt her.
Yeah. Hey. Baby. Yeah. Mugabo ciri ryinyo. Gusa n'abasore n'abasirikare.
Round 2.
Round 2. Round ya kabiri. Round ya kabiri. Yeah. Hey.
No, D. I feel that you want to cry right now. What do you think, huh? Need to beg for your life a little, huh? Get the fuck up, you son of a bitch.
Hey! Yeah!
You gotta give me something.
Ufite kugira icyo mbwira mwana.
Not much point. And what's that, huh? Oh, okay.
Mugabo arabanza hano yubikira akantu kameze nk'akuma.
Going to try.
Ashaka kunjombikira hurese.
One of these here broken mirror pieces, huh?
Ni ikihe kimene cy'ikirahure cyera ushaka gukoresha se? Ahita mushomba ikindi yatoye kare. Urabe? Mukaguru.
Submerged. Japanese.
Submarine Japanese. Magambo yamubwiye.
Femoral artery. You're gonna want to put some pressure on that.
Uwo mutsi njombye yaza kugusaba kuwushyira kuwufata amaraso adasohoka ari menshi mu kanya gato urapfuye.
I really enjoyed that.
Shanda bikunze ukuntu nkwishe. Kagabahana kajombye ngo ni umutsi mubi cyane. Amaraso ari ava byihuse ukahita ucisheni. Bano barabatoshe n'umutsi ukubitaho urayimbunda. Umukobwa ndamurasa nikamukurasira ahubwo. Fire! Cyo ntabwo bakigira kukibwira ngo ufite umukobwa ukikubabarire. Ese neza mukecuru arikanga.
You almost fucking killed me.
Ubuze gato ngo nyice.
Good thing you moved.
Cyiza nuko yisuva mu nzira nyine. Gasani n'urusazi koko. Yishe Brachad. Andasa akaboko.
You came back.
Wagarutse.
What did you do, huh?
Wakoze ibiki?
What did you do upstairs?
Hejuru wakoze ibiki?
Did you kill him or what?
Wishe umuntu cyangwa?
I've been giving this a lot of thought.
Mama bino nabitekerejeho.
And I think that I deserve a second chance.
Nibwo nabonye ko nkuye amahirwe ya kabiri.
What?
Yesu Kristo. Ukoze ibiki umva cya kigoryi? Yewe! Rebe.
Mom.
Mama. Ukoze ibiki kishe umuntu? Bira nabisobanura. Ibyo kuba yishe umuntu ngo yabisobanura. Je, mbega umwishe.
Come on, I want to talk to you.
Disoka ndashaka kuvugisha.
Just stay away.
Jya kure yanjye wakicanyiwe. Kakagorikira, Kari Juni. Kakanyabwoba ni Juni ava.
That was the worst thing.
Kira nicyo kintu kibi kibaye nigeze mbona. Dorwo. Uyavayo. Do.
Well, D,
Bitete.
it's been a long time.
Harashize ikibarasiranye.
Feel like you've been avoiding.
Mbese nk'umuntu uri kunyihisha.
I have.
Cyane nyine.
What happened to you, man?
Byakugendekeye gute mwana?
You used to be the best at what we do.
Wahoze uri uwa mbere mu byo twakoraga.
The best.
Wari uyoboye pe.
Now you're in the system, all drugged out.
None system wayivuyemo.
3 times a week to get in touch with your soft side.
Kujya muri therapy bakakuvura niyo mpamvu maze kuba imbeba ntukiri umuntu wa danger.
Sociopathic disorder.
Harya ngo indwara urwaye bayita sociopathic disorder.
Behavior.
Uri umusazi niko bakwita.
The moral development. Come on, D.
D.
These are just fancy ways for these people to call you insane.
Kuno buryo bano bantu bo kwisi basanzwe bakoresha kugira ngo bakwite umusazi.
D. Personally, I don't believe in saying
Jodi naruko nizera ko umuntu ari umusazi.
different points of view.
Ahubwo ni kwa kundi umuntu abona ibintu mu buryo bwe butandukanye n'ubw'abandi. Ibyo niwe wabinyigishije.
Point to this shit?
Yeah, I got a point.
Hari icyo ushaka kuvuga se muri kano kanya?
Are you just gonna keep pretending for these fucking people?
Ugiye komeza wigira utari kubera bano bantu.
What you really are.
Byaba byiza wemeye uriwe.
Because what you are is awesome.
Kuko icyo nicyo kirenze bro.
That's why you're here.
Niyo mpamvu uri hano. Yeah.
Must have told you what's here on the island.
Kandi ndabizi nawe uje ukurikiye icyo muri umunawe yakubwiye kiri kuri iki kirwa.
He's fucking dead, D.
Buno yapfuye D.
Oh.
Eh.
You don't know.
Kumbe nta makuru ufite ikintu kiri kuri iki kirwa icyo bari guhiga bose. Hey, kumbe nta n'ibyo uzi. Mumwice. Mumwice arabwica sniper. Sniper mwice. Sniper kumbe bamumanitse. Hey! Cyagiye kurasa umusore yagiye kare. Sniper yamurashe kuri iki kirwa hari iki? Umusore abyumvishe ko ikintu bari gushaka.
You didn't kill him either?
Kuki utamwishe?
What you did to that guy upstairs?
Ko n'ubundi abari hejuru babishira kuki utamwishe umva ni John.
What did he say?
He said there's something on this island.
Aravuze ngo hari ikintu kiri kuri iki kirwa ndakure icupa ry'urwungi.
A couple $100 for groceries, some antiques.
No.
Nibikisi bihari nyine ni ibintu bya kera.
Thing here.
Hano kuri iki kirwa hari ikindi kintu gihari.
Sean was trying to tell me.
Kandi muri wanjye yagezaga kubimbwira.
He's trying to tell me something before he died.
Hari ikintu yasaga nkashaka kumbwira mu nyandiko mbere yuko apfa.
You know Sean, he couldn't have been involved with any.
Mwese muzibe ntabwo muri kunyumva. Hey.
They were in business with Sean, and they are here to find.
Bano bagabo hari ibyo bakonaga na muri wanjye wapfuye none basha kubishaka. Ni biki?
What aren't you telling?
Ibiki mutari kumbwira biri hano.
You said that Sean died while he was working on the.
Warambwiye ngo Sean yapfuye ari gukora kuri la lighthouse hari sniper ari kuri kiriya kizu kimeze nk'umunara. Ntabwo nkeka ko yapfuye aguye.
No. You said Hugh found him, right?
Yavuze ko ari we muntu wamugezeho bwa mbere akimanuka kugwa.
Son of a bitch, he was talking to him too. He was saying.
Kandi nabonye yuko kavugana na bano bagabo.
Okay, shut up.
Siba rero arico. Yo nimwe barashe ari gusohoka yambaye umupira umwe.
Those men planted here to keep an eye on.
Uvuze ngo yuno bari bohereje ngacunge Shani akorera bano bagabo. Uvuze ngo ari ikintu bari gukoraho.
There was engine grease underneath his nails.
Hari amavuta ameze nk'amoteri nabonye mu nzara za Shani ubwo yapfaga.
He's been off, but stupid was never one of them.
Umwana wanjye Dini ubwo ari ibintu byinshi ariko ntago ari ikigoryi. Mbega no umusaza ariko si ikigoryi. N'uyu bari kuvuga.
Good. Let's try over there.
Mugerageze mushakire ntari abantu bari guhiga ibiri munsi y'ubutaka. Ni ibimashini bazanye. Ntago rimwe bya kera usanga umuntu acukura ari hose ngo turaza ko bigwaho oya. Binjira hano.
Come on.
Muri umuntu yakoraga muri umuntu yari professeur.
Come on. What were you working on?
There's that sound again.
Hey, no, I want to
Nongeye kumva ryajwe hanze nanone.
go after him. That freak tried to kill me.
If Dave wanted you dead, you'd be dead.
I can sneak.
Di yashatse kunyica, Di yashatse kupfa akabaye wapfuye. Baramutinya.
Send your bullet.
Di ari hano.
Where's that door go?
That's the wine cellar. He spent too much.
Aho hari mu wine cellar yihabwa ubiko bwa za wine.
Yeah, I know where the keys are.
Imfunguzo zawo nzo ziri. Ahantu yabikaga inzoga ze. Abandi bana baba bafite ahantu nyine babika za wine zabo kugira bazazinywe zimeze neza. Karahiye. Kuri bana bona inkweto ziri hano zirimo ibintu bimeze nk'ibigodoro.
No way.
Bishoboka. Rebe.
A hidden door? Really?
Umuryango w'ibanga kweri wari hano. Natwe ntabwo twari tuzi.
Flashlight.
Yeah.
Cool.
Freddie, come here.
Fred ngwino hano. Harimo indi nzira y'ibanga. Bano bagabo barashaka iki kuri iki kirwa. Kiri gutuma bica n'abantu. Yeah. Shani. Uje kwibaza kuri kiri umunaki. Kuri umuryango avumbuye. Yeah. Rebe. Iki kiri yaho hasi.
Coming down!
Daje.
You down there?
Uriyora. Rebe. To. Kana kukarakurikira.
Jesus.
What do you see?
The video's pretty bad.
Mfite imeze nabi.
From one of the odd thieves.
I just sent it to you.
Ariko mfite ibyo yafashe amashusho yafashe rekanye koherereza. Muri za mashusho yafashwe.
It's Cole.
Uyu ni Cole.
100%.
Ijana ku ijana.
Dee's former employer.
Uyu yahoze akoresha D.
For the criminally rich and infamous.
Uyu mugabo yari umwicanyi werezwa n'abakire n'ibindi byamamare kurangiza akazi.
Deals for almost killing his commanding officer.
Uyu mugabo yavuye mu basirikare ba leta ba Sirzi, Navy Sirzi, amaze kwica fande we.
No, here they are.
None turi bari hano we na D.
Being called together again.
Se ngo D na Cole bari gukorana.
God damn it.
Sike kumbe ntago bari gukorana barahanganye.
Look, I'm sorry. I've tried everywhere. No one is willing to sail tonight. I'll call you if I come up with anything.
Reka tugere ku kirwa. Ati nta muntu wajya kuri iki kirwa muri iri joro. Abantu bose batwara amato ntago bari kujya ku kirwa, umugore ari ku ruhande ruri hakurino ntago bemerewe kujya ku kirwa iri joro.
As a matter of fact, yeah.
Sure you know what you're doing? Oh, me? Nah, I'm just fucking around. I mean, I'd let you try, but especially if you have both eyes. That's all.
Down here!
Akunino. D. Urebe.
What is this place?
Hano hantu ni hehe? Hano hantu haba chance. Mugabo yari yaraguze ngakarwa. Ndashaka ukavaho.
D, don't leave me.
D could have been halfway to Hawaii by now. Maybe he really has changed.
D yahari menye yarahindutse. Urebe. Komeza hasi.
We're gonna get lost in here. How far does this go?
Isinzira ikira kureba ingana iki. Bakomezamo hasi. Urebe.
This is insane. Oh, fuck.
Komeza imbere. Mu gicuku. Hano ikintu cyari kiri gutuma abantu bicara ubu nicyo nshaka kumenya. Mugabo ntukabone baragafashe barabonye amafaranga mu nshe baba barahigiye ahantu hose.
Lights.
Reka twatse. Kwatsa gutya hano. Yagasani. Yikanzemo. Yikanzemo. Hey!
Submarine.
Hari submarine ni bwa bwato bugendera munsi y'inyanja.
Japanese.
Bw'Abayapani.
World War II.
Yo mu ntambara ya kabiri y'isi. Eh?
Oh my god.
None yanjye.
Sean. What the fuck is this?
Shani ibintu ni ibiki?
Whoa, hold on.
We. Uyari hano?
I think I found something.
Ndakeka hari icyo mbonye. Munsi y'ubutaka.
It's like a tunnel.
Isa nkaho ari tano iri munsi y'ubutaka. Isanzira zica munsi. Ituruka hariya muri iriya hoteli cyangwa se kariya kabari.
Holy shit, to the lighthouse.
Ica munsi hariya kuri hoteli ikagera kuri lighthouse. Sike ni hariya. Sawa. Ubwo baraca hehe?
Let's find the entrance.
Ushaka hano twinjirira.
You down there.
Tuze gurira hasi. Bashaka ko binjirira.
He never told me about any of this.
bose nta kintu yari yarababwiye na Shani.
Fuck me. That's why I never heard about this.
Niyo mpamvu ibintu ntigeze mbyumva. Debera hariya nawe. Tikurubano. Hari za mama we. Yamashita Gold.
Yamashita Gold.
Yamashita Gold. Sabuza Yamashita.
Out in his books.
Ibintu byo horaga yandika mu gitabo cye. Sike. Bagwe kuri Sabuza Yamashita. Z'Abayapani. Bagabo bari gupfaza habo burya. Buriya ibuye nibuye mu nceri. Ibi by'amafaranga ngo mupfa amafaranga. Hasi. Ku ruhande. Yo. Kigaba inzira kirayibonye.
It's right here. It's fucking real.
Mari sabuni izanyazo.
Show was full of shit back in school. This is correct.
Ntago neza ko Shani yari umusazi bigeza tukigana.
Trying to tell me about in his letters.
Ibi nibyo buri gihe horaga ashaka kumbwira mu nyandiko ye.
I think I found what I've been looking for.
Kuko yaranyandikiye ngo ndakeka icyo nahoze nshaka nakibonye. Sarisa. Fire. Cyawe. Hey. Sasu. Hey. Ibuye nibuye. Ibuye. Ibuye riri munsi y'ubutaka sha. Ibuye. Kubita icupa ryo rwongeye ku mutwe. Mwirukanka. Umukecuru. Kagakecuru. Wakarasa. Masasu. Yafunitse. Yewe. Kagabo kavunitse. Hey. Masasa abagabo burya bapfaga buye we. Noneho ndabashyigikiye ni barasane. Uyu ari bahanabona hari ikintu kimeze nk'amagazini y'uruziga. Urabizi?
Hey.
We.
Keep up. Follow me.
Kira tugire nkurikira. Urikira umusore avayo. Hey. Masasu y'umusore. Batubwiye ko ntabwo bagira aricyo kintu cya mbere tagira. Hey. Rebe filime. Cyawe. Masasa tuma n'ibimuga byirukanka. Umugabo yavutse ariko ari kwiruka nk'ari buzima kubera amasasu. Telefone.
Shut up.
Cicikare. Bari kuturasa ziba. Ari kwihamagarira bari kubarasa. Umugabo aratuje nta kibazo afite. Umedoro ari guhamagara ni muganga waba yasinze akaryama mu ntebe n'ubundi hose ni inzu ye. Aho yarara hose ntareba apfa kuba yisindiye. Yewe. Niko.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Ninja.
D. What time is it?
Sangai.
3-ish? Sorry, it's late. I know.
Bare burisha ariko.
I just have one question.
Ufite ikibazo cya kukubaza.
Shoot.
Gambwira.
To save myself. Could I go back to my old ways then?
Ese baye ngombwa ko nitabara byaba ngombwa ko nsubira mu nzira nahozemo.
I'd have to say that, well, you really wouldn't be saving yourself.
We ntago ari ngombwa ko witabara riga.
Give up on all that great work that you've done.
We bireka ibintu bisikemura. Amasasu. Kiwe?
What the hell was that?
Cyo nibiki?
5.56 semi-automatic machine gun.
Ni 5.56.
Oh yeah.
Bari kundashisha n'imbunda n'ubwoko bw'imbunda.
D, listen.
D unyumva ngubwire rero.
Do whatever it takes to save your ass.
Icyo aricyo cyose witabare utabara amagara yawe.
Whatever it takes.
Icyo aricyo cyose. Kumbwira ati barasa. Aha.
I'll lose my fucking license.
Baranyambura lisansi. Abwiye umusazi yararwaje ngo narasa abantu. Minisanti bimenye yamwambura lisansi yo kuvura abantu. Bamenye kare washusha abwiye umusazi ngo narase. Avayo bamuhaye uruhushya akeneye rw'umuganga n'urw'umuganga tereka magazine hano ku cyabonda kiri kuri submarine. Terekamo yitonze nanda y'umujinya n'urugunda na kibirukansa bondera yambara mama we raba film fire cyawe barimbo tubwana uburyo yambayemo dore ikibondo bwa n'uburyo cyambayemo ku bitugu fasaw pishwi ikibondo kiri hano ikibondo gakiriya gisaba kuba wariye mama we wakiracije gushwanyagurika rabe dore ikibondo bice akagoryi kari inyuma yafayo dore ikibondo gasani gasani hatwitse harashya nawe afite agatwiko katinjiza kiratwitse kumva agatwiko kacu narubwo kinjiza ariko kiratwitse agatwiko katinjiza hey
Stop.
Vayo.
Stop right there.
Agarara huri.
Oh, fuck. So you found it, huh? I knew I could count on you.
Sabo wasibonye, huh?
Wow. So your brother kind of undersold it, didn't he? It's too bad that he's not gonna get that.
Ikintu cyabashe nuko umuvandimwe wapfuye atari buze kwishimira muri izi zahabu yatomboye. Izo yifumburiye.
Need you alive.
Ndacyagukeneye uri muzima. Kano kajya ku kibunda. Cyawe! Kararasa! Nibyo katazi ndapfuye.
Oh shit.
Fire! Baraga.
No.
Wenda arasa nyoko. D.
Listen to me.
Ndagira ngo nyumve.
This is so stupid.
Ibi ni ubugoryi waba ukoze.
Let's just grab as much of this gold as we can.
Reka duterure zahabu dukeneye.
Because when the feds show
Soke hano tugende.
your ass up forever.
Mbere yuko FBI hagera njye nawe tuzigabane.
The gold.
Njye ntabwo naje hano kwiba zahabu.
I just want my family back.
Njye naje gusubirana na famiye yanjye.
Well, then you got a deal.
Wa muhungu koko ni umusazi. Umuntu uvuga ngo ntago akeneye zahabu noneho ndakonfirimye ni igisazi.
Your mommy back.
None rero ugiye kuntwaza zahabu nawe ngo utwaze nyoko.
Take this out of here.
Izi zahabu kuzikora no byatwara iminsi.
I won't leave it to you.
Izahabu nyinshi kandi ziba ziremereye zimeze nk'amabuye.
Strong, strapping lad.
Umusore ukomeye wije yantwazaho duke duke.
Give me 2 ingots.
Uramo ingots nk'ebyiri.
Brother owes me.
Bura boro bumeze nk'ubutafari bwa zahabu zikozemo. Sindabibabwira mwe murabizi.
That's it.
Nanjye namwe mbara muzi amasarabwayi muzi ntosho. Iki binonko.
Come on.
Mujye mwihangana mu gihe tugeze mu mabuye nakuriyemo. Ari amabuye muri kubona bayita zahabu ari nyine bayenda gusa nk'umuhondo. Urabizi?
You just give me 2 on top of that. Just
nyongezaho n'utundi tubiri sha. Aragipakira kimushyiraho n'umunwa. Aragipakira biba biremereye du. Ka ingots kamwe n'ugaterura umugabo wagira ngo ateruye isarabwayi biba biremereye. Biremereye. Njya mbona udukobwa ngo uzi ko ngo nambaye amagarama nimba ari rimwe. Uzikara amagarama 5. Abagabo bari guterura mu matoni kugarama.
That's it, strong guy.
Barabahungu naje kuvumbura ko bana bagurira pirate bakabashuka bwombo bwo. Ariko rubanda baranatinyuka koko. Bazubwira abantu ngo sheri yakuguriye ngo ni oro original. Impamvu mbisi neza ngo sheri wanje ni umusirimu ntago yagura ikintu kiri pirate. Mbe sheri wawe ni imbobo. Bwombo yatumye agura pirate. Bari ubupirate bwinshi muzajye gupimisha. No umusirimu ni yagura pirate.
Whoa.
Abahungu urabazi.
Hey.
Muhunga bari umwana wundi. Baze ko ntabizera. Kuri ka gatwiko kabo katinjiza. Urebe. Samukana. Hasi. Kuri zahabu ni nkeya n'udutafari duce ariko turaremereye. Kandi umugabo ni umusore.
Get up. Pick it up, or else your mom goes flying.
Kumba umugore wa FBI yamaze kuhagera kare.
Game over, D.
Making a fatal mistake.
Agent John the scene.
Where's Cole?
Ko ari he? Sasu. Hey! Fata mama we.
Pick up the gold.
Pick up the fucking gold!
That's it. Good boy. Hey, dude, what are the odds? Huh?
Gabase gupakira zahabu n'ubundi.
Your straight as an arrow brother decides to borrow money from the wrong people.
Muvandimwe wawe utaha ujye umubwira nicyo bigenda iyo ugujije amafaranga abantu batari bo.
You know how it is. And now here you are. Oh, D. I gotta tell you, thought I'd be happier to see you, but you're just so goddamn sad to me now. Huh?
yongeye kubabara kubera wongeye kumbona hano sibyo
Powerless.
ambaraga ugifite
You used to run this shit.
kera wari uyoboye bino bintu mani wari utuyoboye
I don't know why he's doing all this, huh?
uzi impamvu Mungu ari gukora bino byose niwe hari kubikorera niyo mpamvu yabaye imbwa ntabwo ari ngombwa bino bikore n'ubundi aratwica ni mama we
You're right. I go.
Yeah.
You're fucking insane!
Umusazi zaba zitaye hakurya
Fucking insane!
Umusazi kiraseka
Energy trying to hide who you are.
imbaraga nyinshi kuzangiza mu kugerageza kwigira utari we.
I'll constantly be that voice in your head, reminding you that you're never gonna fucking change!
Go! Naga mama! Musore! Rebe! Cyo! Cyawe! Hey! Ubu nabasazi hano babuye yabasajije. Hey! Bose! Cyawe! Uramenyo! Cecuru! Fashe habi. Cecuru afashe habi. Tururi. Yeah! Kikabo. Bose ni cyawe gahanga! Gahanga kirakameranye! Rebe! Kunira mwifi! Ibira babavuga! Rebe! Tera! Tomanyira gwe! Yewe! Kikabara kizinga. Kibagiramo. Tomanyira. Rebe! Kereka icyuma. Cyawe!
Not insane.
Ntabwo ndi umusazi. Naje gukira. Harambiwe abantu bamwita umusazi. Kandi abona aribo basazi. Abantu benshi barasaze ariko mu ibanga rikomeye ku buryo batabizi. Yeah. Yeah. Sano. Imbere y'uwa FBI kigiye kumwica nawe. Igisazi. Ntabwo uri buze gupfira hano. Ko kivugira kandi gahoro. Kiri kugerageza guhinduka. Cyaraganga ntabwo uri buze gupfira hano. Kigabo nta santima nta mutima wa FPR amaze kuvuga ati umusaza aranyishe. Mama.
I'm sorry.
Mutubabarire.
Saying you're sorry.
Kiri kuvuga ngo nkubabarire ariko.
Sorry for your loss.
Wihangane kubw'igihombo wagize.
For Sean.
Cyo kubura umwana wawe Shani. Ngo kiri kumuhumuriza ariko mukecuru. Mwihangane ko mwagize ibyago condoleance. Mbega ni ibintu biba bitakivuye ku mutima. Kuko nta santima kigira ngo kiri kugerageza kongera kugaruka muri societe. Abantu biboka ibibazo umuntu abaranyuzimo batakigira ubwoba batakigira na santima nta mutima nta mama umuntu yarahumuye yarariwe. Kiri kugerageza kunywa ibinini cyongera ikimere nk'abantu basanzwe. Aya mumbonye mubona ngira santima nge.
Think back to all Sean's letters.
Iyo nekereje ku nzandiko Sean yanyetiye.
But he was dying to tell someone.
Yari ameze nk'ushaka kubwira umuntu ko ari icyo yafumbuye.
Safe. He knew he never could.
Wenda gishobora kurinda famiye ye kurusha yari kuyirinda.
Abandoned naval base called Guardian Island.
Nibwo yaje kugurikirwa cyari cyaratawe cyari ikibirindiro cya Navy b'abasirikare barwanira mu mazi. Cyitwa Guardian Island.
Yamashita Gold.
Icyari kiri kuri icyo kirwa nta kindi ni zahabu zabitwa ba Yamashita.
During World War II. And smuggled out.
Zahabu zari zaraburiwe irengero mu ntambara y'isi ya kabiri.
Sean put together the clues.
Sean yakomeje kugenda aterateranya ibimenyetso. Aza kumenya ko agomba kugura icyo kirwa. Arangisha gusa amafaranga bakonga gore kino kirwa. Atarabishyura abagabo nibwo bamugezeho.
Looks like Sean wasn't so perfect after all.
Uvuze ngo Sean nawe ntabwo yari intungane.
Perfect. but he didn't deserve to.
murumuna wanjye ntabwo yari intungane ariko ntabwo yari akwiye gupfa.
They're gonna come after you, you know.
Bazakuzire kurabizi.
I can handle it.
Je nagiye migwa kenshi nakwiyitaho.
Your mother.
Nawe se famille yawe mama wawe. Barasa kumira sawa.
Make sure of it.
Nzakora uko nshoboye bimeze neza. Wowe se?
Might try being myself for a while.
Nanjye ndaza kugerageza mbese sawa. N'ibinini arafite. Yari gukoresha telefone bita P37 ya Itel iri gusangwa mu maduka yose ya Itel mu gihugu. Niko ga telefone yari kuvugira ubonye ko iminsi yose yamaze ari kukirwa yigeza charginga kandi yari akivugira kuri P37 kugeza film irangiye. Hari byo ngubwira ngo iriya telefone ya P37 ishobora kubika umuriro iminsi ngahe itatu yikoresha utaracharginga. Yafashe ubwato ari imanukira na filime yacu nuko igenze isanga ku gasobanuye films.com no mu ba DJ Imana bamugisha ndabakunda cyane ukeneye kwamamaza kuri izi filime wamaze ku cyiciro gikuru cy'agasobanuye 0785568333 ciao ciao.
Murikiwe n'abamvuma ariko nawe utegeka ijambo rimwe gusa ryabaga rihagije ngo bakwire imishwaro bishwe n'ikimwaro ijwi ryawe ryuzuye imbaraga kugeza naho rirangurura ingoyi zose zigacika.